gear shifter is off. Essentially, you switch your gear here. Truck stays in the park position the entire time. Never switches gears. Problem? One of two things. Either this is your gear shift cable, goes down, runs down underneath your console. It's down all around here. Had to pull up the carpet. Goes down into a little hole right there in a grommet. I'll show you where it goes. Alright, if I come underneath here, comes underneath, there's our grommet. Come underneath, cable comes underneath here, comes up, gathers up through here, comes right to here, connects with this little pin to just keep in place, comes down here, and then sits on the end. And this is your transmission switch. Now, 9 out of 10 times, the bushing right here falls out, and this guy comes out and just dangles. And when you shift your gear, your cable here goes in and out, but it's never pulling on your shift to shift it from park to drive and whatnot. But as you can see in this situation, our bushing's on, so it's the actual cable. So I inspected the cable, and a visual inspection of the cable, as I come up here, you'll notice right here, I took notice that the cable was frayed a bit. So I started looking at the fray, and lo and behold, right there. Can't really get a good shot with the camera. Let me see if I can. Lo and behold, see the cable on the inside of that? That, ladies and gentlemen, is a cable snapped from rubbing right on that. What happens is the cable's going up in here, but it's not pulling here because it's snapped right there. And therefore, it's not pulling our lever and transmission, so this entire cable's got to come out. More to come on that process a little bit later. Once I go buy the cable, I'll show you guys how to put it in.